Send down upon it your guardian angel, that all who desire to journey in it may be preserved in safety and shielded from every evil end. As the Ethiopian man riding in the chariot and reading of your holy prophecy was granted faith and grace through your apostle Philip, so now manifest the path of salvation to your servants who travel by this vehicle, that with your helping grace they may be clothed with good works, and after the completion of the journey of this life, they may be granted everlasting joy in your heavenly kingdom. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen. May Christ, our true God, through the intercession of his Immaculate Mother, who points to him as the way, and by the protection of the hosts of heavenly angels, of the glorious prophet Elijah, of the holy martyr Christopher, and of the prayers of all the saints, have mercy on us and save us, for he is all good and loves mankind. Amen. In the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. James? All right, so you don't even know it's just the water, but it's the Holy Spirit. All right, God bless you.
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.